how to see TikTok ghost followers without an app. So to see your TikTok ghost followers without using a third-party app, you must manually edit your followers list directly inside the official TikTok app. TikTok does not provide a built-in ghost follower button, but you can easily spot them yourself by looking for specific red flags. Now, watch out for automatically generated usernames containing a string of random numbers and letters. Also, accounts that still display the default Create TikTok shillot. Look for accounts that follow thousands of people but have 0 followers themselves, and the profiles with absolutely no videos uploaded and empty bios. Now, you can clean up your account by following some of the steps. Now, to check and remove them, what you have to do is open your TikTok app on your device, then tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Now, tap followers. Now, scroll down and look for a profile that match the red flags, which I've already told you. Then, if you are unsure, tap their profile if they have never posted, have no bio, and aren't active. They are a ghost followers. Simply open up their profile. Simply tap the 3 dots next to the user's name on your followers list, and then select remove this follower from the menu. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.